E agora, mais um pouco desse cara que realmente arrebenta. Meu amigo Elias Moreira.
Looking out across the night time, the city winds to slip aside. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing eyes. Get me out till the night time, for walls won't hold me tonight. No, if this town is just an apple, then let me take her by. If they say why, then that is human nature. Why does it do it that way? If they say why, then that is human nature. Why does it do it that way? Yeah, reaching out to touch a stranger, electric eyes everywhere. Oh, see that girl, she knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. If they say why, then that is human nature. Why does it do it that way? If they say why, then that is human nature. Why?